These are called ICs. These are made up of semiconducting materials. We use ICs to conduct experiment. The first experiment what we are conducting is adders, full adder, half adder, full subtractor, off subtractor. You know that it has legs. Some ICs have 14 legs and some ICs have 16 legs. Okay, so whatever the IC we use now are the two ICs, one for XOR gate and one for AND gate. And based on the circuit diagram that is there in the manual, we are going to, based on the circuit diagram that is there in the manual, we are going to connect the circuit. So first we shall plug the IC into the IC socket. This is called IC socket. The IC socket, always remember, when you plug the IC to the IC socket, the notch should come up. So I am plugging it inside. So when you put it inside, you need to lock it so that it should not move. So lock it like this. Okay. So here there are 14 pins, right? So the first leg corresponds to first pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this IC socket can hold an IC with 16 pins. But what we are using here is an IC with 14 pins. So you should put little up so that the last slot will be left as it is. So you need to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So you have to leave these two pins, last two pins, if you are connecting the 14 pin IC. And this is ground and this is VCC. So 5 volt supply is given through VCC. And here you can see wires. These wires actually in logic design they are called probes. And there are two colored probes. They are same, both are same. You can use it for any purpose here. That doesn't mean that red color probe is used for some particular purpose or black color probe is used for some other particular purpose. No, you can use it for the same purpose. And based on the circuit diagram that is present in your manual, this is the circuit diagram that is present in the manual which is already given, you can connect like this. I have already told you how to put the pin numbers for the gates, right? For the circuit diagram, how to put the wire numbers. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, right? So 1 and 2 are inputs and 3 is the output. Then 4 and 5 are the inputs and 6 is the output. Suppose you take like that. But here there are two different gates, one XOR gate and one AND gate. So for XOR gate we are taking it as 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let us see how we can connect it. I am making the connections now for the half adder circuit. So based on the circuit diagram what you see here, we are making the circuit connection. So pin number 1 is input. I told you when introducing the trainer kit, these are for inputs. So I am connecting any one of the input. Okay. Then pin number 2 is also input. So I am taking this and I am connecting it to any one of the inputs. Then you can observe in your circuit diagram that pin number 1 of the XOR gate is connected to pin number 2 of the AND gate. We have not yet connected the AND gate. We will connect it. This is AND gate. We are connecting it. So the pin number 1 of XOR gate, you can see there is one more hole here. You can pierce it through this. Completely you need to pierce it. So from pin number 1 to pin number 1 of AND gate. Pin number 1 of XOR gate to pin number 1 of AND gate. Next. Here pin number 2 to pin number 2 of AND gate. So pierce it over here and then connect it to pin number 2 of AND gate. So then which are the outputs? if you consider the XOR gate, pin number 1 and pin number 2 are the inputs and pin number 3 is the output. So I am connecting a wire. I'll take a little bit bigger one so that it will reach the output. So I will take the pin number 3 and I'll connect it to any one of the pins. I told you while introducing the trainer kit, these pins, they stand for outputs. Okay, so I'm connecting it there. Then again coming to the AND gate, the pin number 3 is connected to output. So I'll connect it next to it. Okay, and the first one, it becomes the sum according to the circuit. This is the sum and this is carry. And after connecting, you have to see that ground connections and VCC connections are made or not. So what you should do, you should connect pins to ground. In XOR gate, the 7th pin is connected to ground. So which is the 7th pin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th pin. 7th pin should be connected to ground. And 14th pin, that is, you have to count like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th is connected to ground. Go like this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14th pin should be connected to VCC, 5 volt supply. Similarly, for AND gate also, count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th pin should be connected to ground and 14th pin should be connected to VCC. Connected to VCC like this. Now the circuit connection is complete. Remember, many of you connect the circuit but you forget to connect ground and VCC. That is the most important thing. So after connecting only you should power on your trainer kit. Now we shall observe the truth table in the trainer kit. According to the truth table, for half adder, if both the inputs are 0, the output, that is sum is 0 and carry is 0. If one of the inputs is 1, then sum is 1, carry is 0. Again, if one of the inputs is 1, the sum is 1, carry is 0. The last case is if both the inputs are 1, what happens? The sum will become 0, carry will become 1. We shall see that in the trainer kit. Initially, these are the inputs, right? So these inputs I have made it to 0. So the outputs are 0. What is the next combination in the truth table? That is 0, 1. 0, 1. So when 0, 1 is given, the sum is 1, carry is 0. Next combination is 1 and 0. 1 and 0, again the sum is 1, carry is 0. If both are ones, then sum is 0, carry is 1. So this is how it works out. See, when you give inputs, green light switch on here. Suppose you don't want to give the inputs, both are 0, green light switch off. Okay, for 0, 0 combination, the outputs are 0. If both are high, the green light switch on. If both are high, that means the inputs are high, then the sum is 0, carry is 1. That is how you need to see the output. Okay, so this is the half adder experiment. You have a circuit diagram for full adder also in your lab manual. Similar way you have to connect it. Here you have 2 XOR gates and 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate. So you need 3 ICs here. You need 1 IC for XOR gate, 1 IC for AND gate and 1 IC for OR gate, and you have to do the circuit numbering. And similar way you need to connect and you have to observe the truth table that is present here and that using the trainer kit.